Siguro dahil tapos na yung masungit mode ko, parang mas naging relax na rin sila. And there should be a very slight pause after you say your first name for me to remember you.
Again, Marydale Entrata, 19, Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines.
Better! Okay, next.
Maria Fabiana de Souza Mamédio, 18 years old, Philippines.
What? Habang abala sa training ang girls, ang boys naman, pinaplano na ang magaganap na party.
Costumes and stuff, like putting on costumes. You have to think about that.
The main culture exchange between Brazil and the Philippines will be shown through the food and the games.
We're also going to be playing with the tinikling and limbo rock.
Sa activity area, puspusan pa rin ang training ng girls. For evening gowns, you have to be elegant, regal, so you walk slowly and you smile with your eyes. Okay? Evening gown competition. 3, 2, 1, go.
Gandang-ganda ako sa kanila, mas gumagaling sila, lalo na nag-train kami.
Baka mas makakalamang sila kasi they get to train with us para mas maging kumpiyansa po sila na they will get the crown, ganyan.
Competing with each other. Don't let the girl next to you be more beautiful.
Ay, sobrang competitive sila, kuya. Kahit alam nila okay lang magkaibigan, pero sobrang competitive nila, lalo na si Ma'am Maria.
What if there are stairs and you're wearing a long gown? Let me see how you do it.
Maria Fabiana, 18, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Kahit nakita namin na magaling ba sila, we still have to do our best. Vivery Escrito, 16, Bohol, Philippines.
Tinry ko talaga, kuya, na kahit alam mong mas maganda siya sa'yo, mas matangkad, isipin mo yung kakayahan mo at ikaw yung pinakamaganda.
Marydale Entrata, Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines.
Sobrang effective, kuya.
Stephanie Vaz, 19, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil.
Sobrang ganda talaga nila, kuya. Oh my gosh. Pero, I really don't want to be intimidated by their beauty.
Kisses, Delavine, 17, Masbate, Bicol.
Better.
Gusto ko i-prove sa mga Brazilians na ang mga Pilipina ay maganda at ang mga Pilipina ay mga palaban.
Susunod, ang girls sasalang na sa question and answer portion.
What are your opinions about the color turquoise?
Turquoise.
I don't know what is that color. Turquoise. That is your thing.
Ilang sandali pa at nagsimula na ang question and answer portion kung saan ang boys ang nag-isip ng mga itatanong sa girls. Candidate number 1, Vivery.
There is a pit bull in front of you. He's so hungry. You have to choose with a big meat
Keep your composure,
or
girls.
with a big cuchillo. What are you gonna choose?
Thank you for that wonderful question. I prefer giving the big bulldog a meat because I believe that if I've done something good in my life, then I definitely will be good. If I give the meat to the bulldog and after that if he's still gonna attack me, at least I'm gonna die good. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 1. Candidate number 2, Sesame. Keep eye contact.
How do you make something ugly beautiful?
I can make like a flower. It's one flower is completely ugly. I can make them beautiful with water and then we'll be beautiful again. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 2. Candidate number 3, Meredith.
What are your opinions about the color turquoise?
My opinion about the color of turquoise is, I don't know what is that color. But my opinion is that it's really hard to pronounce it. That is all. Thank you.
Candidate number 4, Maria.
Kung pagkain ka, anong food kakainin?
Okay, I think the question is your kind of food, what food